Hello our great friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video we will highlight 12 tricks and tips shared by Meta for successful creation of Reels. Following the tips as a Reel creator you will be on a position to attract more audience, thus more views for your Reels. If you're new on this channel, remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Tricks and tips for successful Reel creators. 1. Relate to your audience. Create content that clicks with people. If they watch your reel and think, "That's literally me," you're on the right track. Showcase situations that people can see themselves in. And look into the lens. Try using your selfie camera to create first-person, approachable content. 2. Share your unique point of view. Showcase your personality, your contagious energy and attitude. Share your passions. Teach people something new, or share something that's uniquely you. 3. Plot the plot. Great reels are built off of storytelling. Some of the most popular ones have either a clear beginning, middle and end, or they have a strong hook or payoff, like a big reveal punchline or plot twist. 4. Be in the moment. Share your point of view on conversations of the moment. Whatever's happening right now, people want to hear your take. Make sure you add your unique twist on the trending moment, and that it's relevant to your niche and audience. To help extend your reach, use 1 or 2 hashtags that are trending and/or relevant to your content's themes. Pro tip: hashtags like #ExplorePage or #Reels will not help you get featured. 5. Start a trend. Inspire and start a trend that others can easily participate in or remix. Take cue from our cultural moments calendar and connect with your community. Remember, Reels are not only meant to entertain, but also invite participation and creative collaboration. 6. Let go of your fears. Remember that there's no right way to create a Reel. Your way is the right way. If you're having fun, chances are viewers will too. 7. Leverage the tools. Use creative tools like text, filters, or effects. Even something as small as an interesting transition may get people watching more than once. And find that good lighting. Natural light is ideal. Avoid being in direct sunlight. You'll squint and there will be shadows. Avoid light directly above you or right behind you, as backlighting can hide your face. 8. Music library FTW. Set the scene by using music and audio tools and Reels. In Music Library, use the browser to find music for your Reel. Search by artist, album, or song, or browse music categorized by genre, moods, and themes. Alternatively, you can voice over your video, or use original audio from other creators. 9. Go vertical. Vertical content 916 helps ensure your Reels are immersive. Horizontal video can be clunky, and is typically not as easy to recreate. 10. Spaghetti on the wall. We celebrate experimentation. Try new, interesting, and different approaches to see what works for you and what your community responds to. Is it humor? Affirmations? Skits? How-tos? Sky's the limit. 11. Share. Once you've posted your Reel, don't forget to share to your stories. You'll also want to share from Instagram to Facebook for maximum exposure. Instagram creators can reach new audiences across Meta by recommending their Reels on Facebook, no account needed. Pro tip: consider adding a cover photo before you share on Instagram. 12. Avoid low-quality content. Don't post Reels that are visibly recycled from other apps. Avoid third-party fonts and watermarks. Some other common no-nos include blurry video due to low resolution and content that violates our community guidelines. Similarly, avoid interruptive, exaggerated, or misleading or baiting, as people have told us that they dislike spammy posts on Facebook and Instagram.